Hello friends, this is Imranshuraj and in this video we will discuss about how does a C++ program get translated or compiled. If you want to watch another video of C++, go to the description and check out the link of the playlist of C++. There are some steps that are given below. First, text editor is used to save the C++ program in a text file. If you if you don't understand what is the means of text editor, C or C++ program or text file, so don't worry, I will explain you what is the means of text editor, C++ program and text file. If you want to write any code, then you have to need a text editor like Notepad, VS Code, etc. And in text editor C++ program is known as source code. If you write any code in your text editor with the extension of C++, then that code is known as source code of C++ program. Okay, so you can say that C++ program is known as source code and the text file is known as source file. Okay, as you can see that here is a source code and text editor saved in a source file. Okay, save it in a source file. Second, the source file is sent through a compiler for translation. Here you can see it. Source file is sent to a compiler for translation. Okay, and third, compiler processed the header file. Compiler processed the header file. Here is header file and the compiler processed the header file with source file. Okay, if everything work as perfectly without any error, an object file made up of machine code. Object file is made up of machine code. Okay, an object file is created if everything work as perfectly without any error, then an object file is created. As you can see it, if everything is work as perfectly without any error, the object file is created. Okay, object file is referred to as module. Object file is referred to as a module. Okay, you can see it. Object file is referred to as a module. Next is linker combines the object file with other modules. As you can see it, linker combines the object file with other modules. That is other modules. Okay, to form an executable file. As you can see it, linkers combine the object file with other modules to form an executable file. Okay, these modules contains functions from standard libraries. These modules contains functions from standard libraries or part of the program that have been compiled previously. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and please do like, share and comment. Meet next video. Thank you for watching this video.